The dumpling top is easy to recognize with the rounding top, and now we're getting to the stages where over here where investor confidence is starting to break down. We saw another big down day in the market today, down 256 points, taking us right down toward the support level. If it has another big down day, we're going to be below this level and starting wave 3, which could take us down 2,000 points or so in the Dow, which was the magnitude of this leg over here. Now, what that does for a candlestick investors, get them set up for different patterns that are going to work effectively moving in that direction. NVIDIA, for example, had a shooting star followed by a gap down, followed by a left-right combo, then a close below the T-line. Told you we're in a downtrend. Now you had a little inverted or a bearish J-hook pattern. So the longer these trends move down, the more the magnitude of these selling gets, because where do most people sell? They panic sell at the bottom. And the longer a downtrend persists, the more people start bailing out of a price move. Which makes our recommendations such as panel starting to break down very nicely. Rounding top, then again the left-right combo below the T-line, started shorting it up here. Big down day, 13% today. Stochastic still heading down. They still could come down and fill this gap and possibly come all the way back down and test this area. Our recommendation on BPI was the same prognosis, is that we were rolling over, and now as the market is starting to sell off at the end of a dumpling top, this dumpling top is starting to work. So we're going to get big magnitude selling when these dumpling tops start breaking down to where they can be down 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12% a day for quite a few days. And charts like IL are getting set up. We recommended shorting that one today. On the weakness, we'd be through the first support area. If this breaks the second support area, this one could be down a good hefty 40-50%. And our recommendation on shorting DMND when it came down through the T-line is now picking up steam. Remember, the longer these downtrends persist, staying below the T-line, the bigger the magnitudes of selling. That's where the panic selling comes in. That'll be it. See you in the chat rooms. This is exactly why we want to learn candlestick analysis, is to know what the techniques are for making the big profits during a downtrend.